Buban Kaito money, bro deportation de money, bro Astabulman Hoite, bro Asbobon, bro Mars Laika, Katarabon stop Kaika, police rock, bro Bathai Tonka, Techini, Soy Shadjon, leader of Satro, bro Tanka, Governor House, deportation de Bagay, Membrane Summit Kanabagay, with the big Kanakantini, Governor, Bronokuno Malina Surilia, he's not entertaining. Governor, think I say about definitely the governor is a guardian of our state, but in governor. Botarano Santanaro Nangmani, Cox Hanangmani, Pinipiang Kanaka, Governor, Bornomalaya, Bon Secretary, Burnang Secretary Borohawi, Bokagos, Bornomayam, except Haka. About Kanawich in Chikara Hisa, Dukonanka, hesitating car. About to Yitini, Tini police rock, Boron attack Taika, Boron in water cannon to Boron Sarka, Latichas Laika, Obonga Tomonia. Peaceful Cox Halagay. Nation Khlaijak Borno, Rona Tomani, the Borno Omahi action number Bagay, Balakan Durbagyo, the very unfortunate Bonibagay, Ankakanai, Tini BGB Sorkar, Bornikuno, Born feeling Kuri, Tini Cobber Roman script about Sultan Dabia, Ponchas Bosa Sikang, over Dabi Kaitongo, Jason Nuka, Gavanga, or the Research Khlaika, Commission Azoka, Basa Commission Azoka, Tinta Basa Commission Azogui, Ubasa Commission report, behind Abba Sorkana report, about Dotona Cogborok. Romanskiro sabut khayo. The Piaba Sorkar City, look to the Imbordo, Aban Chaparoi Tongo, Avan Bagay, Tabutin Jologondok, is a Satra of the young generation, the intellectual group, student society Roborok, Realizenka, some of the normal courses in Maya, some strong movement Makine, some Salinate in Saturno Bahiclation table, the one Clayson, some aggressive movement Kane, or some Disonanai. Angkago tini tu apatin just ni lesson, number of harassment like that. Awan baca police selainnya, je police involved munai rok, tapi just kaya rok munai rok no, eksonara bagi selainnya, korang orang digitongo, tongo, sumber bagi selainnya, yang angkago, jeng jotono tabuk jeng mabuci nai, tema CPM kaya nai, tema Kongres kaya nai, tema BJP kaya nai, jotono wansuk sidi, tini hago tongui, tini nogo tongui jeng, orang jeng hani besar, orang jeng buin putro, sengsi tini kognes tini masuya. Tini ichar mote, tini mucunga mahageseng, kogborong seng masuya. Bui si tini, hatan phayo tini borok tini pengui tongo. Baksa sawo jaban negeri script mana nai, Bangla script mana nai, borok si titik khai tongo, belai rasa susah. Pada bagai angka kago, enough is enough. Jodes seng bugi ka, seng suffering ka, seng jodes to saima kata bo, seng tini ciklarok, ang koi nai jot tono, neng CPM tahen di Kongres jangan di jot ton tini man thainom, tini kogborong mana script. Neng CPM tahen di Kongres jangan di jot ton tini man thainom. Tini kogber Roman script, sing orang tini 80% tini perasaan, sing kogber kog sago. Piaba tini kogber boro nur kaitong. Tini onek tini development kam tini kogber, sing ini pas tini raja nugu, Mizoram, boro kogber boro ni basam boro Roman square suyu, boro university PhD, boro kaitong boro ni Roman script kogber boro ni Mizu basabai. Meghalaya, ada bahini boro Roman script naik tu boro suyu boro ni basa boro university boro research PhD kelayu, lecturer kaitong takle boro tini. Sing nui to tini neighboring state no. Ni piaba ti pura hongke borok, tino taparogui. Jaga tini Bangla script ba Demla script. Tini kona sing sui meya, tiun sing kape ramaya. Borok situ tini kintu tino borok taparoi tongo. Enough is enough. Sing tino saimano. Tabok jorangka. Sing tini 50 bos sing bugi ka. Ang tuto koina tini cikarok. Uciba sidi. Sing kia banan tabon ini party purta hande sidi. Tini kogno, tini mani kogno sing develop kena bagai sing saimano Roman script scientific, ang orang tini sana musuh. Onek BJP neta rok sahu, ang kenapa Roman script bengkabo, hatani bahasa, hatani script. Ang orang promanona musuh. They very shameful to say, tini barani Sambidan, the Constitution of India, all to retain Roman script. Kena tini Sambidan yang bawa sanksi bayi suidi. Neng zaman ini bersuiti, ini baru Sambidan, ketar Sambidan, posisi ini Roman script suyai tong, suyai. Tangan itu ini kau guna Roman script suyai na. Om hai boro ojuk tikok sagai, cuma boro obo khai tongo, mislead khai tongo, angka kago, boro nanti obo samar obastop, cuma jotono Roman script layo, cuma majority, cuma jotono Roman script hanjago, angka kago, teman BJP Sorkar. Teman Kongres Sorkar teman jebot Sorkar Paitung, jeng lekfan jeng, cini kogber Roman script jeng adai kayaknya nai, apa cini wansukma, apa cini dabi, angka kau jeng jot tuh, cini next course of action jeng lainnya, tambah. Just now I heard the bad news regarding the police atrocities, and I strongly condemn the incident. The police personnel have attacked our innocent student who are having peaceful movement. As you all know, the Roman script in Kokborok is a long demand. For the last 50 years, our Tiprasa people are demanding for implementation of Kokborok in Roman script. It is very sensitive demand and serious demand. Today, the student wing of the Pramotha party have launched the movement, peaceful movement, deputation to the governor of Tripura. And while they are marching peacefully towards governor house, they were stopped on the way, and some of our volunteers, some of our student leaders went for submitting the memorandum to the governor of Tripura. But very unfortunately, the governor did not entertain to meet our leaders, student leaders. It is very sad news. Being a guardian of the state, the governor is not willing to attend and to meet our student leader. This message was got by the students who are having demonstration, and they are very upset. And it is very sad to know, having the peaceful movement for the Roman scripts in Kokborok, some of the arrogant police officers attacked to our student, and I have a list here, the name, around 7 of them, three girls, 3 boys are seriously injured, and they were admitted to the hospital, Jibo hospital, and were monitoring about their health condition. And it's very unfortunate to know that in our own land, the son of the soil, the student, were tortured and harassed in this kind of situation. And as you all know, this is the first movement organized by the student wing of the Pramotha, and it is our lesson to know that in near future we are going to have an aggressive movement with a lot who was really seriously injured, and Junu Rani Deborma also in hospitalized. It's a young girl. Sonia Deborma is from Gabodi school, also very seriously injured. Prince Deborma also seriously injured, and Bethsaba Deborma also seriously injured. Muskan Deborma is very young and dynamic leaders. Ladies also seriously injured, and Chadra Deborma, coordinator of seriously injured. The 7 of the students are very seriously injured, and we are monitoring their situation. We are helping them out. Now, all our senior leaders, immediately I called them meeting. Maybe today, tomorrow we'll have a meeting, and we'll see, we'll find out the solution. Thank you. Tini belakhe, tini khak tongthengkha. Ang Guwahati ni Phaidrop, ang Khanaka, tini Siklarok, tini Tipramothani, Satrani, Songothon, TISF Rock,